So today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be making some Jack in the Mac, which is a macaroni and cheese that uses pepper jack in the base instead of cheddar. So we're going to use our Breville Sous Chef 16 to shred our onion and our cheese. We're going to use this disc, which has a reversible face. One side will shred more coarse and the other side shreds super fine. And for this recipe and for my family, the super fine for the onion works really well because I have family members that enjoy the taste of onion but don't like the texture. So we're going to start with the onion, and we have found that if you put the onion in with the curved side down to begin with, you'll get a better shred. So we're going to drop it in that way, then we'll put our pusher in and we'll turn it on and let her go. As you can see, we have super fine shredded onion. Okay, so I'm going to put this in a dish and then we'll do our pepper jack cheese. Okay, so now we're going to shred our pepper jack cheese. We're just going to turn our disc to the little bit bigger shred and put it on, and we'll put our lid on, and I'm just going to take out the center of the pusher and put our cheese through here. Just that quick. Our cheese is shredded. And, some people would say, well, why do the shredded cheese? Why not just buy the pre-shredded and use that? The pre-shredded comes with anti-caking agents in the package, so it doesn't melt as well as just pure cheese. So I do try to use my own shredded cheese when I have time. That's not to say that sometimes I don't use the package. So just that quickly, we can be ready to get started with our mac and cheese. Thank you for watching. We hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you will share it with your friends. Click on like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you good food, safe storing, and happiness.